I've seen these little combinis, these little daily 7-Eleven convenience stores, and I said to Michelle, I really want to go and just check them out. And you never know, you might get to one prefecture on, there may never be another one, and I might regret it. So I'm going to pull in here.
Turn left, then turn left.
I have a little look and see what a daily convenience store is all about. Daily Yamasaki. So I don't know, can't tell you much about it other than they're all over. I don't see them in the city, Michelle, do you?
No.
Just going to have a little look. So coffee. Different machine, it's all open. It's kind of strange. Okay, this one's a lot more Spartan. These are the frozen drinks. So they're actually frozen solid. In this weather it's quite cool. Okay, it's like a slightly simplified version of a 7. Okay, we didn't need anything, but I surprised Michelle with a couple of ice creams. Ice cream time.
Ice cream time.
It's like a slightly sort of, well, maybe it's just because where we are, it's a little rundown sort of version of Lawson's or Family Mart. They're like an ice cream sandwich. They're delicious, aren't they? Yeah, I know we always get ice cream. Maybe we should learn something out of your original idea, Michelle, to keep them in the packet.
But I still get it down me. Hot chocolate in the middle.
If you never go into one, you're probably not missing a lot. Musical road. That was a musical road. That was good timing.
It was.
I wonder if that picked up. Well, I didn't see a sign to say you're coming. Might have just missed it, but that's really cool. I want another one. Couldn't see anything on the road either.
No, I was looking.
Change of plan. This place is cool. Yeah, it's a little yellow sports car that pulled up next to us. No, I'm not sleeping in one of those, but yeah, so we end up at Yamasaki. But so there's an ice cream store doing fries and ice creams and things. And these are hello. There's a bunch of vending machines doing drinks. Look at this Buddha here and all the money that's been put on here, look. So you can put a little bit of money on and make a wish. Rub the Buddha's belly. It's good luck. But the michi is really good too. Michelle's gone in there to giant ice cream dumpster. Hello. Oh, there's the lake. I love the fact If this was in Australia, all that money would be gone. Am I right? If it was in your country, if this was in your country, would all that money be gone? Look at the Buddha.
He's rich.
He's rich, isn't he?
Yeah.
Pat his belly for luck, Michelle. Okay, let's go in Michino Eki. It's kind of cool in there, isn't it?
It is.
Interesting. Got lots of different shops. Big rice bowls here. Who is this character? I kind of know that character. Somebody will let us know. So as you'd expect, little machines. The time bridge. I think it's 100 yen. These are like old vintage machines, surely. This is an old one-arm bandit without the one arm on it, so it's a press one. Go, go, go. And there's an old claw, look. Toko Toko dogs. These are really old machines. I think they're probably vintage. Mind you, a lot of Japan is vintage. I want to go on one of these. What are you getting? No. Let me check this out. Michelle, what's in those balls? It's underwear, isn't it?
I think so, maybe.
Oh well. Oh, this is an old Michino Eki. Oh, we're getting some flutter. There's a stuffed bear, look. Let me see if I can get rid of this flutter. So these are the sort of like plastic versions of the food you can order. 1400. There's some soba, some ramen.
Is that 900?
Yeah.
700? Yeah, I've got the good prices.
It's interesting. But in a... It's probably the most old, run-down version of a Michino Eki I've ever been to, but it's curious and fascinating.
Got all the facilities.
You've got everything there. And shaded parking, which is kind of rare. I just saw a guy rock up on a cool trike. It's almost as big as any car. Can you see this white one here? So is that a Honda? Now that I wouldn't mind getting one of those. So what is that? A Honda Goldwing. Trike, dyno. So we're in Nikkō. It's a World Heritage
It is.
city. And there's an Anglican church. Really beautiful old Anglican church. Nikkō Shinko Kyokai. Anglican church. Wow. You don't see churches like this. That stone there. Hello. It's a very beautiful old building, isn't it? Do not wear footwear. Just take our footwear off. Surely, is that all these people in there? Oh, oh wow. Thank you.
それぞれはよくできてるけど、ちょっと
I did wonder why there were so many shoes, or I did wonder why there were so many shoes outside. So not many Anglican churches where you'll find that you're being asked to take your shoes off, not your hat. Serendipity, Michelle.
Absolutely.
Serendipity. Let's have a little look at this Anglican church.
Beautiful flowers.
Hear them singing in there. How did this Anglican church arrive in Nikkō, Japan? It's got a story, huh? And still got some blossom on the trees.
Even the ivy looks symmetrical.
It does, even the ivy looks Japanese and beautiful. So look at this stone, beautifully carved. It's probably the name of the church. Is it the name of the church? Nikkō Anglican Church. Ooh. That old, well, not a font, it's a sink. The things we stumble across, staying off the high roads.
Absolutely.
Staying off the high roads. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but there's really fast flowing water under these drains. So we have to get on, Michelle.
Yeah. Make the bikes.
This is a great spot for motorbike riding. It's all paid parking in the town apart from at Lawson's. So there's a little tip. Right in the heart of the city centre. Lawson's. Lawson's, Machi Cafe, Lawson's Station. Perfect. I think we've actually found Postman Pat. Good morning. Oh, what a beautiful view. Hello.
Hello.
Where did you come from?
I've been to the bathroom.
Nice bathrooms here,
It
aren't
is
they,
a nice
Michelle?
bathroom.
That's a nice view this morning.
It is. Misty there.